But cold night, I mean, you can tell watching the crew down there at Foxborough, it is chilly out there and the temperatures will continue to drop throughout the game. Now, the next threat on our radar really is this tomorrow. We've got that rain, the snow, the mix. It all depends on where you live. And then over the weekend, that's right, next weekend already we're talking about, we have another chance of seeing some rain or snow, possibly on Saturday. So here's where the system is right now. It's still organizing. It's still a long way off there, so it's going to take a while. So tonight, what's going to happen? The clouds will thicken up. It's going to be cold. If you're inland, dropping down to the teens. Closer to the coast, probably stay right about the freezing mark. And then for tomorrow, well, here's where we got everything coming at us. At the coast, it's going to be rain. Inland, it's going to be snow. But inland, we really have to delineate elevation, because the higher elevation is going to get more snow than the lower elevation. So even though I'm saying beyond 495, we get 4 to 8 inches of snow, it all depends on what your elevation is, even outside 495. And then, of course, it may be ending as snow as we get some cold air to wrap in here at the last minute and change it over to some snow. But really, along the coast, that's just too warm to support any snow. Here, we got a little bit of mix between 128 and 495. Beyond 495, now we have a better chance of seeing some snow, especially up to the north. You get farther to the south, you can see how the temperatures warm once again. So as far as the timing on this, nothing going on tonight. Tomorrow morning, I think the morning commute is fine. And by 10 o'clock, we've got some snow coming in. And over here, you see how the temperatures are warming up, that it turns into rain. So we've got some rain coming in during the afternoon. In fact, the evening commute is going to be slow. Not necessarily because of snow, but look at this heavy rain that we're talking about. Temperatures in the 40s, upper 30s. That is a cold rain that we're talking. And then up to the north, it stays snow a little bit longer. And the longer it stays snow, the higher the totals are going to be. By the way, this will be a very heavy, wet snow. There's almost an inch and a half of liquid content to this thing. So if it was a few degrees colder, or this was happening at night, or it was happening in February, we'd probably be talking about a foot of snow everywhere, but not in this case. Now, at the very end, there's enough cold air that kind of sinks down toward the coast that we might get a little burst of some snow, but that wouldn't happen until tomorrow night, closer to midnight, and then it's gone by the time you get to Wednesday. The winds will pick up tomorrow night. They'll be gusty on Wednesday morning. So you see the area that we're talking about, really from 128 to 495, a coating to 2 inches. Right around 495, about 2 to 4, and then once you get beyond 495, 4 to 8 inches of snow seems likely. In this area to the south, yes, you may get some wet snowflakes mixing in, but really looking primarily like a cold rain than anything else. Now, as I mentioned, the winds will ramp up. Here's tomorrow night. See how they really pick up? The other thing is, notice the wind direction. It's right off the ocean, and the ocean is still at 50 degrees, which is why some of this is staying as warmer, too warm, in fact, for any snow. It's all in the form of some rain. So those winds will be very gusty tomorrow night. They'll be gusty on Wednesday morning, but then they'll back off as we head towards Wednesday afternoon. But boy, let me show you some of this cold that's coming in after this system. Tomorrow, an alert day because of that rain-snow mixture out there, and then a windy morning on Wednesday, but backing off into the afternoon. On Thursday, just in time for holiday lights, we may actually have a few snow showers coming through, temperatures into the upper 30s. Friday, it is cold, it's windy, and look at those wind chills. They're going to be near zero. High temperature on Friday, only about 28 degrees, and as I mentioned, next Saturday, chance of seeing some more rain or snow into the forecast. By the way, Shane, I think holiday lights would really be nice with a little snow on it on Thursday night, wouldn't it?